Back at it again, Mr. Pennistar in the building. Alright, today's discussion is regarding the truth about aftermarket exhaust on your V6 Charger. I'm going to share some truth with y'all. I'm going to share some facts. Woo! You like that? Alright, so here's the truth. Aftermarket exhaust on your V6 3.6 Charger. Let's clear the air first. One thing you gotta remember is your V6 Charger will not sound like a Hemi. It doesn't matter what you do. Catback exhaust system, change the mufflers, add exhaust tips, straight pipe, resonator delete, don't matter. Anything that we do to our engines will never sound like a Hemi. It's okay, we don't have to sound like a Hemi. We will have an aggressive sound though, which is what I think we're all trying to get accomplished. And the reason for that is, when you start modifying the 3.6, the exhaust systems and all that, you still have a raspiness to it when we get to high RPMs. So it's never going to have that deep Hemi rumble that we're all seeking to get, but the car will sound a lot more aggressive. I mean, there's some things I think cats shouldn't be doing. For example, you shouldn't straight pipe your V6. Me personally, I think it's a little too raspy. Same thing goes for if you delete the resonators. It doesn't have a good tone to it. It's louder, people may like that, but that drone is a serious thing. But hopefully you guys don't get discouraged. I'm not saying don't modify your exhaust systems and mufflers and all that. I obviously did. I got the catback exhaust system with the Street Pro mufflers. I added the Flowmaster dual exhaust tips. So I feel like I got a pretty good sound. My car accelerates well. It's loud. In the interior I get good tones and so forth. I still have some raspiness, but it's a lot more minimized versus other setups I've seen and heard. But I'm still happy with that. So as long as you can remember and keep that in front of your mind, you won't ever have that Hemi sound, but you'll definitely have that more aggressive sound. People who don't have V8s or know anything about muscle car sounds like that, people who are not in the Mopar community, they always think I got a V8 just by me listening to it. But those people who know about the industry, the engines and all that, they can tell that it's not a V8. And I try not to be a V8. That's not my whole purpose. I just wanted a better exhaust note and get some gains as well with the catback exhaust system. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say is keep modding. If you're looking to change your exhaust system, go ahead and do it. Have fun at it. It's your car. Don't worry about what other people say. There's obviously some options better than others, but that have to be subjective. But yeah, enjoy it, man. I mean, for example, I do something like this. That sounds good on the inside. People on the outside hear me coming through, so they get out the way or they move over. It's all good. It's all fun to do. I'll go ahead and do a quick little sample of some of the stuff I get to do with this V6 Tunnel. Woo! That was fun. I do it every time too. I can't help it. Anybody who modifies their exhaust system or mufflers, you see that tunnel, you gotta go for it. Alright, open up time. Systems definitely make it fun to drive. That's obviously why we get it. had to say. Like, go ahead and subscribe, support your boy. Got some comments, post below.